To ask for help and support when we need it is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of wisdom. While walking along a forest path, Diana and her father came across a large tree branch on the ground. Dad, if I try, do you think I could move that branch? I am sure you can if you use all your strength. Diana tried her best to lift the branch, but she couldn't move it. You were wrong, Dad. I can't move it, said Diana. The disappointment was evident in the little girl's voice. Try again with all your strength, encouraged her father. Diana tried again but failed. Dad, I cannot do it. Young lady, I advised you to use all your strength. You didn't ask for my help. Our real strength lies not in independence but in interdependence. To ask for help when in need is not a sign of weakness but a sign of wisdom.